go because this topic we want to discuss today na one wey dey comot plenty smoke. When we go the market come back, we go just enter inside our discussion straight. Make una no go anywhere, na still as e dey hot.
For latest yarns and tori from your Sempe programs wey dey on top Wazobia TV, waka enter Instagram www.instagram.com/WazobiaTVNG.
People owned up to 10.8% of people owning up to having been raped, ladies.
Wow.
That's a very large figure.
Once you're above the age of 65, you go to some health centers, treatment is free.
People find out that, after playing with a pet, after a while their eyes start watering, their nose start running.
If you know you're going to die from alcohol, will you still drink?
All the pregnant women out there, I'm here representing you, so don't worry, you're in safe hands. Don't be scared.
Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. Ezuku Chukwudi Nkubi and our August visitor, even though we did the month of December, Oga Duke Oputa, they're inside studio. And we go look the topic when we say, if we check them by As E Dey Hotness, if I go use that language, and I they carry first for the headline inside Obodo, Nigeria, and it get to do with the $2.1 billion when we say the Office of the National Security Advisor under the administration of former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, the money when we say they want to use buy weapon for our soldier people to take tidy Boko Haram, Jaguda people. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, come out, conduct say, based on their own investigation and all the paper when they don't see, it be like say that money when they're supposed to use buy weapon, it enter into some people accounts, private accounts. And from all the whole investigation when they do, they can't trace some of the money enter inside some people account. Former governor of Sokoto State, Alhaji Atahiru Bafarawa, he follow for people when we say EFCC gbab for this situation. We also get the Oga Patapata of Dark Communications, High Chief Raymond Alejo Dokpesi. They also catch him say he follow for inside this badness when happen with the $2.1 billion. Some Nigerians don't come and come look this one say for Nigeria we get what they call 1 week, one new headline. And afterwards, it go be like say the thing don't come down. But our Oga President Muhammadu Buhari don't talk and repeatedly say nobody go escape corruption for inside this country. Whether you there in party, whether you there in government, irrespective of where you there, if you there corrupt, you go answer your mama name when it come to court. Now the question when plenty people don't ask now say, share this one na case when we say it go end after a particular period of time. I mean, we'll go see the end of this particular situation. Nigerians go beat their chest say, yes, indeed. If they talk about change and they talk about say we won't fight corruption, we dey fight corruption truly. Oga Duke, we go welcome you again on top of As E Dey Hot. Okay. And we get one particular tradition. We dey shake hands of our visitors them so that when the question begin the flow, you know go be like say we dey quarrel or we dey fight.
I know Allah.
Oga Duke, you go just quickly go over this particular situation or this particular case just from your own mind as Mr. Equity. Just try explain everything when this thing be.
Okay, well, the thing is say the kind of money where they talk about now mind-blowing amount of money, $2.1 billion, now plenty money. And that money was supposed to be used for fighting Boko Haram, to buy guns and arms and so on and so forth for our soldiers. But it never happened because they come divert them. And it begin to look like that they use the money for political campaign, because that's the thing where don't begin to come out now and be say now political campaign they come use the money come do, because they come channel the money through the NSA Dasuki and from him to Dokpesi and then from Dokpesi to other people. So you can see say that they try to hide the place where money they come from, but they no succeed because somehow EFCC don't begin find out the thing where they happen. And the truth of the matter be say that by the time when they don't finish the investigation, we go see say more and more people go get involved for this matter, and every one of them will come out answer to the law. Yeah, they have to answer to say, what thing you do with the money where they give you. And I be, say that money comes from somewhere where you're not supposed to come from. So that might be the problem where we get here. But it can bring out another issue for us, because we think we say, if they carry $2.1 billion from one source to try fight election to enter back power, where the rest of the money where enter that election come from too? Because the reason why this one don't begin come out like this because of Boko Haram, because of the fact that we they lose the fight. So the question they ask, how come we they lose the fight? Our army people say we no get gun, we no get this. Hang about, we provide money for guns. Where the money go? So it is from there that we can begin find this one, as opposed to from actually looking at what monies the government has spent over 4 years and what has spent it on. My take be say, by the time they don't finish this particular investigation, you go through open more investigation into other areas where money, where for go somewhere else, don't come begin divert to political pockets. And that be the main problem. Dr. See no get answer so far. But what is important for us as Nigerians be say, as they do this investigation, they do this trial, make them make them public. So everybody go see the thing where they happen. So nobody come out and say, persecution. Because I don't see any persecution here. Because don't forget, before they talk say, this government, biased government, they go after opposition, or they're witch hunting the PDP people. But the reality of the matter be say, anybody who gets himself involved in this matter go be PDP anyway, because now PDP government way there for power when they spend the money. So it's not like say now the PDP that they chase, now the money that they chase, but the money come jump into PDP environment, so it looks like say now PDP that they chase. But they get other areas as well. When they finish this one, when they start investigating, that will involve other people, will not be PDP people. So make Nigerians have a little patience. The most important thing is that at last we are beginning to see the place where our money they come out, and we begin to see the people where they do them, and we can bring them to book and make an example of them if they are convicted, because we don't know that they are guilty until they've been to court and proven guilty. But in the meantime, the evidence where we get for table, they suggest say something terrible don't happen for this country in the last 12 months.
Yes, something terrible don't happen for our country in the last few months. Look, we also look at this way. We talk something about say people will look saying at the opposition and they try win short. Okay, but we also try gradually shift and enter that same opposition, and the top people we did there that time. Okay, we did very much aware. Say during this period, a lot of soldiers, a lot of military personnel come and talk. Say, see, they don't get enough ammunition, so they will take and fight this issue. And for that reason, that is why they not do it. They know they feel to win the battle. Even on top of that same talk, a lot of them a lot of the soldiers we see we no agree go forward. Say then they go fight. They come be like say then they violate the law. Say then they disobey the order, and for that reason they can't bring them out. Say they will serve whether not punishment, particular death punishment and all that.
So, court martial.
Exactly, and all that. Okay, if we don't they see some the issue don't they unfold now. We don't they see the reality where they inside them. This thing. Okay, during the same era, we know say there are people where we say we be top of gas. We know say this thing don't they enter, it don't they open your show. But then she wanted me to say, as this thing did so far, during the era of Oga Jonah, say somehow, no besides they try win chance or probably this thing, but still a question. But at least people like the Minister of Finance will come out this recently talk, say she know anything about the arms deal and money way they talk about. At least now she be the person who they in charge of fund that time. Now she be the person who they dispose money, say okay, take money. Don't you think it is appropriate for her to also follow up on that money to know whether they spend them for the right source or not?
Well, that one a difficult question, because the reason be said the money where the Madam Konjiwala they approve for Niger government when she take power, it plenty. Not be only this one. Now the entire money where we spend for the country, now they approve. So everything will come through our office, she go approve. The key thing here be say her excuse be say, I be finance minister. You approve, you say, bring money for this, I bring. Or Bata Jonathan, approve it, I bring. But notice here that the thing what don't happen here is that they come use the National Security Office. And the reason why they use that office be say they can cloud everything under it is secret. It is, national interest. All kinds of things where means say you no go fit ask question because you don't, it's almost like the security vote where the governors they get. And this is why they have channeled the money through the National Security Office. Now, otherwise, that money should have come directly from the Budget Office or from the Ministry of Finance, or indeed, if it was going to for advertising, for instance. For the government, remember, it's not. Because the thing they say, dark communication say we collect this money because we come do some work for them.
Yes.
At first, they say, for political party, for campaign, for election. But then when they realize that one no go fly, because you don't know if it fly at all, they can't change and say, to improve the government image. Because if you're improving the government image, then the government can spend money to do that. But that is not something where you can call secret, where person no go fit know anything will happen. Because to improve government image is nothing of national security there. So why was the money passed through the National Security Agency? And the reason, as I come say, to stop questions being asked. And if the government had come back to power, all this would go under the carpet. You cannot ask any questions. It's only because we have a new government that this issue. So ultimately, Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala fit give her excuse as Minister of Finance, say, I'm not responsible. Other people are saying, even the president himself that approved it, how come he no see the gun where they buy? And the answer be say, why would the president see the gun? Even if he see the gun, if you recognize them. If you tell us, say this one an AK-47, how you go know? If it's soldier, you don't go know. So it is still down to the people who run the military. So the most important person here, now Dasuki, the man will carry the money himself, the man will get military experience, the man will is supposed to carry that money, go give to contractors with the supply guns, but they carry and go give to PDP stalwarts instead. Now him be the person will go answer the biggest question. But from the question where he go answer, then we go begin to find out whether say the Oga Bata know the thing where they happen. Because if he doesn't know the thing where they happen, it's difficult to indict him. But if you can prove that Jonathan knew, it comes stability where they happen, then he is indictable too.
Exactly. But Oga Duke, if we check this thing, at the point when we say Nigeria Day, we notice say for the last maybe 2-3 years, based on say our overemphasis on crude, we know say Nadia our money they come from. But as the price they drop, we been notice say people don't complain say okay we be like say money no today but we see campaign that time say no the economy they strong now the biggest for Africa. He did this, he did that, he did this, he did that. $2.1 billion as you don't talk. If we convert this money to naira. Now something where we say calculator go knock.
It's for even at official rate. That one na 400+ billion. 400 billion naira. Which is that one na plenty money.
Exactly.
But tell me say this will not be the only waste where happens.
But talking about this particular waste, why is it very easy for say government not now people they government? Why is it very easy say this kind money, this kind amount of money? Whether 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 people go just look say okay we won't use and do this thing because we know if come out oga everybody when they involved for this thing whether you sabi how gun they be or you know sabi how gun they be it just be like husband if you could be giving wife money say make you cook pot of soup and he notice say him because he dey like head of fish if he notice say head no dey inside that pot of soup he go complain now we dey see am steady dey always dey do am if oga president and commander-in-chief of the armed forces we talk say Boko Haram they do this so our soldier people don't complain say they need weapon we can't carry this kind amount of money say we won't use and buy weapons somebody can't use and do another thing and we still dey hear say this Boko Haram people we be like say their power pass our soldier own it means say that money they no use and buy wetin they suppose buy they no channel am well and everybody when they responsible we suppose hold them me and the reason say rather than talk say make we start from this particular person first because I know how $2.1 billion $2.1 billion amongst other money go come out for inside our country account and it go be like say we no know if to say this party win the election this president so it means that there was I go speak English because you don't pass pidgin there was a conspiracy some people were working pari passu that is hand in hand to see say you NSA it be like say because you be soldier man make we use your face but some other people go know $2.1 billion no be 200 million naira not be even $200 million
absolutely right I mean naim be the problem big money big movement everybody notices it's happening.
Exactly.
But the big question is this, as they talk. So if NSA, let's say for argument's sake, I'm not supporting that position, but for argument's sake, let's say the NSA go to Oga Jonathan and say, Oga, we don't buy this, we don't buy that, we don't buy 5 helicopters, we don't buy this, we don't buy that. Yeah? And Oga say, okay, make I see him. What will happen? You carry and go somewhere and say, Oga, here's a helicopter. What's Oga going to say? Are you going to say, I doubt you? So the thing be say, it is easy to fool the president if they look at the right place. The question is not so much as what did you buy? The question is more like where the money where they take bring posters my election, where they come from. So the president himself, did he ask all the billions that was being spent to re-elect him? Did he ask the question, where did that money come from? Because if he did ask the question, then he will say that money no be clean money. Yeah, because if it come from businessmen where they support him, you could say, MTN come donate 1 billion to you. You call MTN boss and you thank him and you publish in newspapers today, MTN donate 1 billion to PDP. So everybody knows where money is coming from. But that same is also true for the opposition party, i.e. for APC. That is to say that they also spend billions. In my own particular case, my suspicion is theirs didn't come from the center. It came from the states. But it's still the same thing. Money that should have gone somewhere else, they come use and do election for us. And they will do the same thing again next election. As even as they do the election last weekend for Bayelsa and for Kogi, they spend money everywhere. Where the money they come from. So make we start from the reality of the situation. That if we see money they spend like water, make we ask question where this money they come from. Not until somebody actually identifies a stolen property. Yeah, I mean, after all, if you drive past the street for this Lagos, police go stop you. If they open your boot, find something, they go ask you what you carry, where you carry them from. I be true. They won't wait until somebody complains that they're losing something before they start looking. So in other words, the truth be say, we are inside corruption, all of us. And this is the beginning of that purge. It's a good purge, and we encourage this government to find everybody where they involved for this $2.1 billion and bring them to book. Because once you bring them to book, it becomes difficult to let others free. Then we can go after the rest of them, because it's not the only one. It's not just our soldiers that were deprived. Our schools, they don't deprive them. The money we go use build schools, there.
Exactly.
The money we go use put medicine for hospital, there. The money that was voted for the last 15 years to turn NEPA, where is it? So the money, Halliburton, nobody's talking about it. So there's so many things that is wrong with the country, but this is the first one, and it's important that the important people like Dasuki, people like Dokpesi, if they are guilty of these offenses and they bring them to book, it will send the right signal to the rest of the country, because the most important thing is for the corruption to stop today.
For the corruption to stop today. Now would they pray for?
That's the most important thing.
And the country. You also said something to say, okay, right about now, even with elections they go on. Yeah, we talk so no get money, but still, money is still being spent. Where did they get the money from? If not, probably from resources.
Of course.
So right now, for us to also stop to ask that question, say, okay, where the money to come from? At least it's in the hands of the government. To say, okay, since we don't start this matter now, since we don't cover this matter of about $2.1 billion, and make sure say at least we bring them to the end. So that anybody who they guilty, go do it go at least face the judgment, go face the judgment you're supposed to face. But for a system where we know, except the system will change from this moment. For the system where we know
exactly
for Obodo Nigeria,
monkey hand, they always enter inside the arrangement.
For Obodo Nigeria, we don't see cases where they accuse people of saying they carry money and not true say they carry this money.
Investigation
they live flamboyantly, they live like kings among us.
Some of them even get national honor.
They get different kind of honors on top of the money where they steal.
Yes.
Oga Oputa, on top of this matter, you sure say we not go see the same drama play out?
Well, but Oga Oputa, before you answer that question, quickly, we go rush, enter inside small market. We don't reach that time.
Okay.
When we go the market, come back so that we'll give you time to talk where. Because I know say this is your answer.
Why be saying now when I ask my own question, you go know say you go remember to go market?
Because the answer long now. You won't make it talk, but we can't cut the answer for a market.
You ask a question. Yes, why you come to my own call the go market?
You know see time.
I tell I won't go market. You ask me to consult me with that market.
Is it your choice to go to the market or not?
Okay, since not come from market, may go for the market now. No, mind
okay, if you not go to the market again, what's going to happen now?
Mind that they go to your market too. And nobody said you go market. But we go still go and shop. May we go market we come.
So what are you saying? We not go. We are going. We go still go. We are going.
You don't come for the market. May we go to the market.
This man is a troublemaker.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.